Hey, ladies, you guys ready? See, she giggling. All right. First question. When you were young, what did you wear to picture day? What did you wear to picture day when you were young? Period.
Talang kikit, the ba, and a nice little church dress that they got from Miami.
We right here in Dade. Pay homage.
It's only right.
When you were young, what did you wear to picture day? Like the school, elementary for say. Like what did you wear to school to picture day?
I had on my little church shoes and my stockings, and I had uniform.
And my barrettes.
Oh, and my barrettes. But I was
The barrettes,
bald-headed,
the bull gogos.
I didn't have hair.
You a bald head? Well, what's
They cut
going
it.
on right now? Okay, weave.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's inches.
Inches.
When you were young, what did you have to wear to picture day?
Really?
Like elementary school, what did your mom
I
make
wore
you-
my big puffy dress with stockings, socks, and sneakers. I will never forget that. With sneakers. Yeah. Sneakers.
When you were younger, you were in elementary school for picture day. What did your mom and dad make you wear?
Oh man, they gave me this bright yellow and black church little outfit. It was weird.
With the church shoes and
Yeah, the church shoes. Actually, I had the high waters, so it didn't already fit. I was like 3 years old. It's like my third time wearing it.
What about you?
Same. A nice little buy. You have your little mini inch grandma heels. Then you have your little fluffy.
Your little shiny heels that you can like.
Yeah, like the polished ones.
Yeah.
The white ones. The white ones. Then I had my little headband because my mom had cut my hair off, but
Oh,
I was
boy.
still looking cute though.
Your mom cut all your hair?
Yeah, because she didn't. I was her first one girl.
Oh wait, you got that whole.
She didn't know how to do hair,
Oh, boy.
so she cut my hair.
Next question.
what's your response to people saying Haitian eat cat?
Oh, my response was always whoop that ass, beat down, feet to your face, down to the ground,
That's really
Haitian style.
Feet to the face.
Yeah, your face was a soccer ball.
Feet to the face. Feet
Yeah.
to the face. So, bro.
Your face was a soccer ball.
Your response and how you felt when somebody said, "You're Haitian? You eat cat."
They didn't know I was Haitian. I used to say I was Jamaican. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you was one of them. You sold out. God damn. So when they said you ate cat, you were like, "Yeah, I know they eat cat."
Nah, they didn't know I was Haitian.
What's your response to people saying Haitians eat cat?
I wish they'd say that to my face.
Oh boy.
Your
And
mama
it's
eat
going
cat.
down, yes. Your mama, your daddy, your daddy, everybody eat
Your
cat.
grandbabies.
Haitian ratchets. They exist. Your response to people saying Haitians eat cat.
Oh, no, met for you. Now get my mom.
Oh.
Shit.
We're gonna bleep all that. we're just
Haitians don't eat cat.
we don't.
Okay, the only cat Haitians be eating is the bubble.
Jésus, Jésus, Papa, Seigneur,
But that's
Wadewa.
for all the male Haitians.
My reaction to when someone says Haitian eats cat, I would just say, I don't know. I really don't. I'll just be so flabbergasted.
Is
I
it
wouldn't
like
just
why?
say.
Like we don't eat cat,
Yeah,
but
like-
if we cooked it, it'd be fucking amazing.
No.
No, it wouldn't be amazing.
It
It'd
wouldn't
be
be
nasty
amazing.
if we
Yeah.
cooked it.
It's just like,
But what if there was
African Americans
pickles?
eating like
They do the
chitlins and stuff. So
They eat
I'll
that.
just be.
We're gonna go to the next question. What is the most Haitian name you've heard by far, other than Manushka?
Jean Baptiste.
That's the most Haitian you ever heard.
I don't know, 'cause I think Ishnalin is kind of Haitian.
So wait.
That-
Ishnalin?
How you say that thing in Ishnalin? Yes.
You'll see those later.
What's the most Haitian name you've ever heard? Most Haitian name you can think of. I mean, you can't take all day though. But like,
What is the most Haitian name you've heard by far?
My name. What the hell?
What is your name?
Child. Ishnalin. Don't zoom in.
Get on Ishnalin.
No, don't zoom in on me.
Ishnalin. I don't even know how to spell it, but I know.
Ishnalin. It's not even spelled right. That's the big thing. Since I was born, it's been an issue. That is the worst Haitian name I have heard so far.
How would your teacher say it?
Oh, they went from Ishkaka
Oh no.
to what else? Shinalin, Skinlin. I don't know every name in the book. And then one of them even said, "Oh, your parents don't know how to spell."
No, she would have came off them hands right there.
I would say Jean.
Come on, Jean.
Yeah.
Get on here. Jean.
Yeah.
Jean.
I don't really
Jean.
encounter a whole lot of Haitians though.
Jean.
Like Manishka, Ishkal, and Gardine all seems normal to me.
Manushka seems normal.
Because it's not Manushka, it could be Manashika. I don't know. Haitians be thinking the weirdest things. But I don't.
Manushka's behind the scenes, by the way.
Jacob.
Jacob.
Yeah.
What's your mom's nickname for both of you?
Manush.
Manush.
Gege.
Oh,
But they
boy.
like to make fun of me and call me Gege. But I'm not gay.
She's not gay, guys. So
Gay.
there you go. I'll put her at name on there. What's the nickname your mother gave you?
Oh, Lin Lin.
That's nice and cute,
Yeah, I
Haitian-y.
know, right?
Lilin. No, Ninin.
Lin Lin.
Lilin.
Uh-uh.
There you go. Aju.
What's your nickname? Do you have a Haitian nickname? Your mom ever gave you?
Yes. Soson.
So. That's pretty pretty good.
Mine's Tata.
See? Tata. Lilin and Tata.
Tata.
No more share. No more share.
What happened the first time when you got, a baton and rebelled, like try to grab the belt, you know what I'm saying? Or like, instead of running away, actually stood up and said, "Hey, no more."
I never encountered that. That never happened.
What happened the first time you guys rebelled against a baton? Like you said, no, mom, no more batons.
I never resented. I'm scared. I'll just have someone save me. Same thing. We on TV.
There you go. Same thing. See, and look, James, look at the guy. Get him.
We on TV.
We up. You representing for Dade County? You representing for Dade County? Most depth, yes.
All right.
Step it. Better step. Step. Get mom on me, Sean.
That will never happen.
No. I'm talking about, no, I'm not saying like, I'm saying, have you ever said no?
What?
What happened the first time you rebelled against your mom? Like you said no to batons. Like no.
Oh. You see, I'm not the bad one. But I did tell her no to that effing medicine they be giving you. The tea. I told her no. It was a talk the whole day. Then she told my dad, my grandma, my grandpa, everybody.
Everybody knew.
Child, and I still didn't drink it.
My
no.
Dishon.
No is not in the. No is just not no.
No,
No doesn't mean no
What do you
to Haitians.
I was like, no, but yes.
Yeah.
I got my ass beat.
Oh.
Like legit bad. Like the
Like-
Haitian beating,
like-
you get the card, the belt, the whole 9 yards.
That's like if we snitched on them, they'd be in jail.
I know. But you don't do that.
No, you don't because you'd be dead. Like,
Yeah.
It's bad all the way. It's a
have to
big
come.
bad circle. They send you to Haiti and all the way
Child, it's
threatened.
not just your parents. It runs through the whole line.